Alright, so this video is basically answer your question about how do you access the statistics plugin that I put in for you. It is a free WordPress plugin. All you need to do is do a quick Google search or look up the WordPress repository for statistics, but I already have it installed for you. This is going to assume that you know how to get into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in here, you're going to want to go to where it says statistics here. We'll just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up the main panel for it. And this has a host load of features like many other statistic plugins, but this will tell you like where in the world your visitors are potentially coming from. You do have to keep in mind that when it comes to internet traffic, you may start, let's say, in New York, but as it goes from your ISP's data center, it will bounce anywhere from 2 to 60 times all across the world, even to get from New York to Florida. And that's because data will always choose the fastest route to take. And sometimes the fastest route is the longest route or multiple bounces compared to a straight line that you and I would um, understand as linear or as a human. When it comes to computers, they're programmed that way so that traffic does end up at as quick as location uh, within the quickest route. But that with that being said, this does give you a decent amount of content to absorb, a lot of information, telling you top pages that gets hit, your statistics, recent visitors, their IP addresses, so on and so forth. The browsers being used so you can manage if, let's say, someone were to tell you that they couldn't see the content on your site, if they happen to be using something like Opera, which would fall under other. That is not of high consequence. You could probably respond to them saying, please switch to Chrome or Firefox, which are the two highest used browsers in the world. There's only about 8 of them right now, 8 or 9 of them. And the two highest used ones are Chrome and Firefox, with Internet Explorer and Safari following in third and fourth. It gives you search engine referrals where they're coming from. You could probably partner up with them using Google AdWords or AdSense in order to increase more traffic or at least revenue from them. Um, but yeah, this gives you a lot of information here. If you want to see more information, you can go to any one of these. So, for example, we'll go to browsers, and it will tell you platform, version that's being used of Chrome. A lot of information. This is more better suited towards developers, designers like myself, so it lets myself know what I'm programming for, who should I be inclusive to, who should I exclude. There are some websites that are designed only for use with certain browsers, like the new version of Facebook. When it was in beta format, it was exclusively for Chrome. And that's because they want to optimize it for a heavy set of users who are trending and modern day, younger users who are strictly dealing with Chrome or Firefox. Um, but inside of here, you could also go to, let's say, hits. And basically, these are all kind of self-explanatory as to um, the option that you're looking at, but this will tell you how many hits you've gotten in a particular day or a particular time frame. So today you've gotten 11 um, thus far, so it'll let you know your average and such information that may be pertinent to you. A lot of this is just for simply trying to figure out where your hits are coming from and how you can optimize using this plugin that I installed for you few weeks back, about a week or two back. This is SEO by Yoast. This is one of the most powerful, most popular SEO plugins. And what it'll help you do is use things like Webmaster Tools to help increase your web presence. So if somebody's looking for you, the keywords that you would want to use on your website so that you can be more easily found. But with that said, that's pretty much how you work this particular plugin. Just go to here and you can either go into here, go to optimization, it'll give you some information here, but this is exactly where you want to go, and this will give you all the information that you need to know. If there's any questions that you may have on this, feel free to let me know. Thanks.